All right, so part two of this video. If you've read this numerical very carefully, what I've done is I have picked up the keywords from this numerical. The first phrase which I found to be most useful was thermally insulated cylinder. Now, which immediately tells me that there is no heat exchange with the with the surrounding environment. So there is no heat moving out of the system and moving into the system, which means delta Q is zero. And we know the first law of thermodynamics and other laws of thermodynamics, right? So delta Q is equal to zero. This is the first good information we got. The second important phrase which I captured from this numerical is that the piston is slowly moving by an external agent. It is being displaced slowly, which means you have an external force which is doing some work. So work is being done by the system, okay, and there is an external agent actually which is doing the work. The C part which I captured was that there are two equal parts, which means there are two thermodynamic systems involved. One on the left, the other is on the right hand side. Now I will use this two equal parts or two thermodynamic systems to create two equations. All right. And last but not the least, the piston which separates the two thermodynamic systems is allowing the heat to pass through it. Normally, most of the pistons they give in numericals are insulated, which don't allow any heat to pass through it, but this is different.